Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to find out if someone has hidden their stories from you. Let's get started without delay. So first of all, open up your Instagram application, and I told one of my friends to post a story on their profile but to keep it hidden from this specific account. Now, in order to easily and quickly find out if this person is hiding their Insta stories from me, I need a second account, because he does not know that I have a second account and he has only hidden their stories from my main account. So to create a second account, go over to your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings. And now, when you are on the Settings screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on the Add Account option. And then you can log into an existing account, or you can create a new account. So I already have an account. I am simply going to log into that account. So while on your secondary account, go to the Search tab and type in the username of the person you want to check. And as you can see, he has indeed posted a story, but he has hidden it from my primary account. Simply put, this person has hidden their story from my main account, but I can access their profile and watch their story using my secondary account. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.